Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I'm down in Florida visiting with my family, and we went to Aldi's the other day. We've got a possible hurricane headed our way, so we wanted to make sure that we're all ready for the storm if it should happen to jar a little bit more to the east. But anyway, while I was at Aldi's, I found something really interesting, and that's what this video is all about. And here it is. So I am visiting my mom in Florida, and we went to Aldi's to pick up a few stray things that we needed. And I always like to go down this one aisle. We call it the junk aisle. It's just got all kinds of junk, basically. And I found this macrame pumpkin craft kit. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'm going to open it up, show you what's in there, and then hopefully I'll be able to make it. I haven't done macrame in many years. All right, it's got this little sticky thing. I got it started, so we're going to open it up. It says it's for ages 12 adult, and it says relax and craft, beginner friendly kit, so we'll see about that. Oh, there's a how-to video. I'm kind of reluctant to scan these things, but we'll see. Kit includes 2 yarn colors, so I'm assuming it's the brown and the cream color. And these did come in orange, but I wanted to do the cream color. We got a metal ring, detailed instruction guide. All right, let's see. Let me get this open. Oh, here we go. See, content, kit contents. Not included. Looks like we need some scissors, a tape measure, and some tape. And this tells the size of it. Oh, okay. It's a big ring. I was thinking it was a small ring. Here are the 2 colors. Macrame pumpkin craft kit. All right, let me kind of look through these a little bit. And, oh, okay. This is how you get the roundness, is you're going to start out with using this ring, it looks like. Now, I used to do a lot of macrame back in the day, in the 70s. And so did my mom. So maybe between the 2 of us, we'll remember how to do it. But I am going to try to get on that video. So I did go to their YouTube channel. They only have 2 videos on there. This is one, and the other one is a crocheted pumpkin, which is also a kit. But I did find that the instructions were pretty simple, except for in one area. I believe it was started with step 11. Let's look and see what it says in the booklet. So we're going to put them in groups of 20, and it says 4 square knots with the 16 cords. This starts with step 9, okay? We go down here, and we have 16 cords. Okay, now we got 12 cords, and they're wanting you to do 4 square knots. Then you're going to do 8 cords, 4 square knots. You can't do that. It should be, you start out with 4 square knots, 3 square knots, 2 square knots, and then down to 1 because you're making these triangles. I hope that makes sense. I think once you start doing this, it will make more sense. But anyway, that was a boo-boo I saw, not just in the video instructions, but in their booklet instruction too. So I actually started with the last thing you're supposed to do first. So I just looked at the video. The instructions look very simple and detailed. I went ahead and did the last part first. This is the stem. To me, it looked like it was going to be hard to do, so that's why I did the hardest first. But you know what? It was actually pretty easy to do. So now I'm going to tackle the pumpkin. You need to make sure you get them all on there in the same direction. See, there's a difference. All right, this is what I have so far on my pumpkin. Doesn't it look like a jellyfish? All right, I found a boo-boo in their video instructions. I believe it starts with step 11. When you go to make these triangles, in steps 11, 12, and 13, it tells you to make 4 square knots on each row, but actually you're only going to be making 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. I hope that makes sense. But that's a boo-boo on their part, because see, you're wanting to decrease. You're making triangle here. See how there's 1 square knot, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? So the first time when you start the triangle, you do make 4 square knots. Then the second time you're making 3. Then the next one you're making 2. And then the last one you're making 1. And then I've got to do that on the rest of this. It's looking a little bit more like a pumpkin. I gotta pull out the stem there, but it also really looks like a jellyfish. I could probably incorporate these instructions to make a jellyfish. And here's the pumpkin all complete. It's been quite some time since I've done any macrame. I actually forgot how much I enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and let me know down in the comment section below if you macrame, and have you seen these at your Aldi? I'll leave a link to the video down in the description box below so you can go check that out. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.